Hello, I'm Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy, and I'm here with Elizabeth Clinton. And I'm so excited to introduce her to you. She is the creator of Metaphysical MasterMind, Tools for Life, developer of 52 Helpers, alchemical hypnotherapist. She just has so much wisdom and knowledge to share, and the tools that you will learn under her expertise and guidance will change your life. Metaphysical Mastermind is a program that I've attended twice, doing the full program, and it is crucial to develop these tools in order to live a life of that's aligned with your heart's desire. It's a total game changer, and I can't wait for Elizabeth to tell us more about that so that you could be inspired.
Thank you, Diana. The word you used is perfect. You said that it was crucial. And if we were to build a home, there would be some tools that we would need that are crucial for building our home. Well, first we need a blueprint, right? First we need a blueprint. And then from there, we take it and the builder would have the tools to build it. Well, in Metaphysical Mastermind, we are the architect of a life that we would love, of our heart's desire. And from there, we learn the tools, right? The tools to actually build this life that we would love, to create this life that we would love. And I think the challenge for a lot of people is allowing themselves the space to actually answer the question, what would I love? So this is what we do in Metaphysical Mastermind. We discover and we delve into not only our capacity to dream, right? And to look at a vision and to start exploring our heart's desire, but we look at the best ways to create a possible life that we would absolutely love. And I feel like one of the things that we really get in this is not only do we get tangible results, I mean, tangible results show up, but we really start learning how to reveal to ourselves what it is that we really want to be, to do, to create, to give, right? Without limitations. And so in Metaphysical Mastermind, we look at the basics of how to really build our heart's desire. And we learn that we have the capacity to bring forth our heart's desire. And yeah, it takes a little bit of work, right? Because most of us have been programmed to look to conditions to determine what we can accomplish. But what happens in Metaphysical Mastermind is we realize that our capacity to live our heart's desire is unlimited. We realize that everything is created twice. First, it was a thought before it could even become a thing. So we learn to shift our thinking, to stay with our thinking. Every week we do this. We practice until we really build the muscle, right? We learn that conditions don't determine what our opportunities are, right? That the authority is within us. And what happens, Diana, is once we get in harmony with what we would love is always in harmony with our soul's purpose, right? And our soul's purpose is that which we are here to be and to do. And once we realize that, things get easier. Things get easier. So this is what we do in Metaphysical Mastermind. Abraham Maslow, the psychologist, he found that people who were really happy paid attention to their heart's desire. They paid attention to their dreams and they followed them. And these are the people who are truly happy. So what we learn is to no longer be condition based, that letting out there tell us what's possible, what we can have, who we can be, because that's the major programming here on planet Earth. So what happens is we realize that there's so much more in us and for us than we've known. And we begin to explore, right? We begin to explore a life that we would love. We begin to explore a life that we would love to live, that's our heart's desire. And it's not based on education. It's not based on money. It's not based on age. It's not based on all of the things that we say are our restrictions, right? And if those weren't restrictions, what would we love? And that's where we go. That's where we go. That's what we explore. And we can't explore that without pulling the gold nuggets, the beautiful gems out of that. And life begins to change, as you well know, in the direction of our dreams for a positive outcome. So This is why I'm delighted to offer this class. It makes such a difference in so many lives, and it's made a huge difference in my life, and that's why I want to share it.
Yes, I mean, just like your testimony and of everything that you've created has been using these tools, and so you're the total embodiment of this life, of using the tools yourself, and it's so inspiring. And I know that for me, my life has completely shifted, and being conscious of what we're thinking, being in that vibration, and having that support of the other group members every week to help us, because a lot of times we don't have people that can vision our highest good with us and participate in our highest good, and that there's the strength in numbers where you're not just doing it on your own or reading a book, or you're actually a, a community here of growing
Absolutely.
together. And
It is. It's a
yeah,
community of like-minded people who are helping to conspire, right? Conspire at its original meaning is breathe together. People, a group, a community that's willing to conspire for your highest good and greatest joy. And when we come together in mastermind, many things happen. They say whenever two or more are gathered. But the other thing that happens is you have the field of everyone's experience comes together, not only of years, but also of experience in life. And it can't help but make a difference. There's so many beautiful stories about when people were going through something, or something came up that would have stopped them in the past, and they reached out to the group, right? To their metaphysical mastermind partners. I call us partners. And it shifted like that. And I have some stories that I share during class of when that happened for me and for other people. And it's truly amazing. And it's something that I want everyone to have. I want everyone to have. And because people's lives get transformed during the Metaphysical Mastermind series, I want people to live lives that are transformed. My goal is that people live lives they love and that they live them powerfully. And the best tool for life that I have found for that is Metaphysical Mastermind. So I really do hope that people will join us and allow themselves to have that.
yes, they really owe it to themselves. The more people have this transformation, the more they're living their heart's desire, the more loving and peaceful and joyful this whole planet will be. And so I want to thank you for bringing these tools for us, and it's been a life changer for me. And I just really feel an expansion of possibilities that I didn't feel before, and I've witnessed them. I've had results like, whoa, I how did I do that? I just remember these tools that we've been practicing weekly, and it's really exciting. So I really encourage you all to check out the link under this video on how you can enroll. And if you have any questions, you can reach out. How can people contact you?
If they send a note to Bridges, I will receive it and I will happily answer it.
Yes, but this is very exciting. Thank you so much. I'm so looking forward to the next enrollment date.
As am I. Thank you,
Yeah,
Diana.
thank you.
Kind of, huh?